Hey, what's up everybody? Joshua Casper back at you, and this is just another video to let you know Plugin Boutique is running another great deal where you get Neutron Elements for free with any purchase from their website. And don't you dare say it's not free, okay? You get it for free if you spend $1 on a dollar plugin at this site. Obviously, if you get any plugin from their site or any sample pack or whatever, you get Neutron Elements, okay? It's a $130 plugin that you're gonna get on top of spending at least $1. There are plenty of $1 deals available right now and will be through the month of November. And this is going to be available for the whole month. It's actually better than the Ozone deal because this just gets added right to your cart. So if you go and buy, one of the $1 synths right now or $1 effects, this just gets added on top of that for $0 free. And one other thing is if you get Neutron Elements for free, again, I want to stress that. And you can go ahead and comment, but I'm just going to erase your comment if you say it's not free because it's a stupid comment. You have the ability to upgrade to Neutron Standard or Neutron Advanced at the upgrade price. So it's a really, really good deal, especially if you're looking to get Neutron Standard or Advanced. You're just going to get the upgrade price and get it super cheap. So what Neutron Elements has is essentially a mixing tool, and it has an equalizer, a 12-band equalizer, a compressor, an exciter, which is a saturation. You got 4 different types of saturation that you can blend right here. And then you got a transient shaper. So you can boost the attack or the sustain bits or reduce the same. There's also the neutrino module over here that just adds spectral shaping capabilities. You got 2 sliders, the amount and detail over here. Not only does it have these great modules from iZotope, but you also have the track assistant and the EQ Learn feature. So I'm just going to show you what those are real quick. I've got Neutron on this piano. And if I hit track assistant, it's going to listen to that audio and make some mix decisions for me. Okay, so it just left it on clean because it's not percussion, it's not bass, it's not guitar, maybe instrument. And it's not vocals. So clean is probably a good decision there. You can see that it's added this EQ curve here. It's rolled off those sub-low ends of the piano, dipped where there's usually a little bit of muddiness happening, and kind of boosted up around 1400 hertz. It's added a bit of compression and a bit of saturation on the warmer side. So if we go ahead and bypass it, it does sound better. So that's what the track assistant does. It does that no matter what type of audio you're feeding into it. It's going to make some mix-based decisions for you and give you a custom preset. Now, it also has the EQ Learn feature inside of it. And what this does is if you put, let me go ahead and change the preset just to show you something. Okay, let's, female vocal. Turn this off. I'm going to go ahead and just activate some of these filter nodes, let it play and hit the Learn feature. And watch what happens to the filter nodes. You can see that they moved automatically. And what this is doing is listening for resonance, it's listening for muddiness, it's listening for or putting those points in just general frequency ranges that cause issues. So then what you could do is come in and say select number 5 here and then boost the gain up and down to see what that range does to the signal. So here that's not very pleasant. So we can actually roll back on that, maybe adjust the Q so we're just getting a little bit more surgical. It's just getting rid of that resonance peak right there. So that's what that does, and you can do that obviously for each and every one of these filter types. It moves however many filters you have activated. So, depending on how much you want the help, just activate those points. Or those filter nodes, rather. And that's pretty much it. I'm not going to go into detail. I've done like 7 different videos on Neutron Elements before for Plugin Boutique. Maybe I'll leave a link to those on the blog. So anyway, you should definitely take advantage of the situation while you can. I'm Joshua Casper. I'll see you in the next video.